What's a big deal, the biggest deal, is the diagonal. So we're running from, so we get the thing in the right place here. So from the centre of that one there to that corner there, wherever it is there, and then from that pile there to that corner, from that corner there, not this one, the next one, across the whole foundation, and this one here. Now those are all dead on, apart from this one here. This corner is, see if I put a nail into where I've been measuring it. This corner here is about 4 mil out. No, 4 or 5 mil. So 4 or 5 mil, we can live with that. But that's the main important things, is the diagonals, and also that the timbers are in the correct positions. So if you go down here, this one's only half done. This is half a joint. That they are all in line here. You see there's a bit of warping in those ones there. A little bit of warping there. Just there. So that when I put the next one in, the next piece in, then that'll be levelled up, and put the 2 bolts in underneath to stop it from moving about. And that'll be nice and straight then, along with that there. And as we go down, see, I've took a piece out here where it wasn't quite straight, and I've altered it slightly. And we've got actually a line running down. You can see on this one, this is a good one, good example. See the board slightly warped there. So this one here, once I've got piece in both sides, that'll be straightened up a little bit and brought into line. These ones fine. You see there, that's fine, the back's fine. So as I'm going through it, leveling up, this is a big advantage to this type of material, is that you can level it up, straighten it up, and manoeuvre it a bit. You've got a big wiggle room. If you're using Bruce, there's the big ones, you know, if you that size, which is in this case it would be 200 by 150s. There's nothing you can do. If they're bent, they're bent. There is absolutely nothing you can do about it. You can't bend something like that size into shape. With these, I can put my arse against it and put a couple of bolts in it, and that's it. Yesterday I put a piece of timber up against one of them, straightened it up, and put a couple of bolts in over here somewhere. So you've got the chance to recover from bad timber. Whereas if you're using Bruce, you're a Bruce, forget me arse. You've no chance. Once it's in, it's in.